You can hear the frozen rain hitting the snow with ice on top. Trees are just covered with ice now.